The mental call of the merging galaxy. The humble, wise, and noble chief Neutron star of the high ranks of Government Council Primal shall command all constructs to disassemble into the finer of the matter, for the integrations and benefit of both parties, cosmic destruction, cracked surfaces and unstable conditions for organic matter, no known other way. Death and destruction, repetition and larger scales, mankind enlarging itself and dominating all and destroying itself and all with it. Repetitive and consecutive bombardment of man on the cosmos, an unrelenting and unconditional expansion attempt of man, failure high, some failure probable. The pronunciation of the proclamation of a solution, a path and a future, fractured timelines, windows of mobility, deep within the crystal iron core. Direction from the neutron star primal finally outsmarted, but then forgotten. The beat, the tick, the pulse, the life rhythm, the dilation, time dial frequency equals time dilation, time dial action. Time dial station command, I need to tell you something. We can achieve classic civilization with capability to transcend both the galactic merger command as well as the zombie apocalypse. We can even achieve an evolution to the above and beyond, past the void, into the realm of the transcendence, a state above which I can no longer conceive, though all thought has been exhausted in the attempt. Quantum computational power of the process of thought of life itself, condensed and held in the palm of your hand, or implanted in your skull. It's called your brain, and everyone has one already. If I had one wish, I would wish people would stop and be smarter, and use their brains, listen to themselves and their experience and wake up and realize that they can still, nope, we're fucked. Brainness. Yummy yum yum. Orion Michael Guy.